My name is Kruze. I am 28. Don't let the young face confuse you. I've made over $5 million on the internet and had my videos watched by over 5 million Australians and 50 million people globally. I'm not just another American or guru trying to flog you a course on e-com, digital marketing, SMMA, Amazon, trading or drop shipping. I'm from Australia. We don't just help you leave your job, we help you to create financial freedom. Here's me being recognized in Entrepreneur.com, Yahoo Finance, Medium, and Disrupt for the over 500 people we have helped create financial freedom. What we teach people to do is to make money by texting or talking for some of the top online brands in the world. So all you would be doing is sending messages from your phone on behalf of online business owners as they have social media inboxes flooded with customers hungry to chat about their programs and services. We hand you a word-for-word script that has been responsible for millions in sales, and you can either book in appointments via text or talk with their leads over the phone. The skill is called remote setting, and you can do it from anywhere in the world, even as a complete beginner or introvert. With this type of skill, you can make it your part-time or full-time hustle and make an easy $6,000 to $10,000 a month in income only working 4 hours a day. All it requires is you to send 120 texts or messages a day and you're paid handsomely for it. And the only reason I'm helping you, selfishly, is because I've got business owners messaging me every single day asking me for more remote setters and closers due to the massive results we have gotten for placing setters and closers into their businesses. You've got to move fast though. We've already trained over 500 people. And let me let you in on a secret only some of the most successful people know. Everything is moving online and AI is coming to take most people's jobs. By becoming a remote setter or closer, you can be irreplaceable, learn a recession, AI and future-proof skill, and replace your job inside of 60 days. Because at the end of the day, skills pay the bills. Which really means you get to make the money you want, have the lifestyle you want, and spend time with the people you love. So if you would like to have a quick 10-minute phone chat with us and learn how to get started with this new online side hustle, click the button below now and book a quick 10-minute intro call. And remember, the only thing in life that's too good to be true is people who never tried something new and followed it through. This opportunity is for winners only who are committed to learning a new in-demand skill. So book a call now and we can run you through the specifics of how it all works with a quick 10-minute introduction call. See you inside.